Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Today I have this Parkside folding SawHorse. Versatile, can be used as SawHorse or trestle, with a max load 150 kg and a practical cable mount here. Dimensions 550 to 420 and high 710 mm. So let's open to see how we can use that with a manual. You can secure workpieces by folding out the stops with measurement from 0 to 53 cm, with non-slip fit and locking strut. The entire construction is made from plastic, which is lightweight and durable. Folds flat for space-saving storage. This versatile and sturdy tool is designed to make your DIY projects and woodworking tasks easier. Whether you are working in the garage or on a job site, the Parkside folding SawHorse is built with durability in mind. It can support heavy loads, making it perfect for cutting, sewing and other demanding tasks. I hope you found this review helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more tool reviews and DIY tips. Thanks again for watching and I'll see you in the next video.